Let's now draw another geometric shape, a triangle. Again, take out your orange colored pencil and draw your triangle just beneath your piggy bank and over to the left-hand side of your page. Let's change our triangle to a funnel. And let's draw two vertical lines like that for the top of our funnel. And I'm going to put like a curved line like this for the opening. And a funnel is round, so let's draw an ellipse down here with our orange pencil and make that round. Finally, let's have a light source. Let's put a little teeny sunshine right up here with an arrow pointing in that direction to remind us that's the direction our light's coming from. While we have our orange colored pencil, let's move over a little bit to the right, and we're going to draw another triangle. Let's make this one longer and thinner like that. Okay, we're going to make a teepee out of this. So let's, for the opening, start up here and bring a line straight down here. This is how the opening of a teepee is. And draw a smaller triangle like that. Now a teepee is round just like the funnel, so let's come around here like this. Draw an ellipse. We're going to go over this with a brown colored pencil in a minute. And let's put a design on the top of the Indian teepee. Let's put a curved line coming around here because it's round, and a curved line here. Let's put some little triangles coming across like this. Makes it kind of look authentic. And you have these poles, teepee poles, coming out of the top like that. And we'll return to our teepee in a moment. Let's now return to our funnel. And let's take out our red colored pencil and let's darken just the lines that we will see working light to dark. So we'll darken just the front part of your funnel like that and over here. And since this is the light side, let's shade the shaded side. And I like to shade with diagonal lines like this, shading the shaded side of your funnel. You can shade a little bit up here too on the shaded side here too. So this is the light side right here, and that's your shaded side. Now let's return to our teepee. Take out your brown colored pencil, and we'll start outlining. Again, just what you see, let's outline first this line that comes down for the opening. Let's outline this that comes around here and around here for your tent. Remember, it's curved, it's round. Let's outline the opening right here, the doorway. And let's put a little tent peg right here and right here just for the fun of it. And you can even put a little grass here. Draw with brown. And let's outline the two sides of our teepee. Drawing light to dark is an excellent technique. Let's shade inside the open teepee with diagonal lines like this close together. And when you shade like this, it adds depth or distance to your picture. That pushes that back so you can feel like it goes inside the doorway. And lines are great to shade with. Let's outline the pattern or design on the front of our teepee. A brown pencil. When I draw Western scenes, I like to use my brown pencil. Kind of looks rustic. We'll do a little more of this later. Let's outline our teepee poles. And let's put some depth in our picture. Let's draw a straight horizontal line going across here like this with a brown pencil. And let's draw some distant mountains behind our teepee. You can draw suggest a little mountain, snow caps on the top like that. And you just drew a nice Indian teepee. Since we are now learning about triangles, let's take a moment and talk about composition. Composition means the way you compose your pictures. Many of you do not concern yourselves with composition, but simply start drawing. The way you compose your picture or your composition is a very important part of your artwork. The great masters of the Renaissance realized that the perfect composition was in the shape of a triangle. You can even see this principle of composition in this large piece of sculpture by Michelangelo. A triangular composition creates a sense of order, balance, and perfection. Now look at this dramatic painting of David slaying Goliath by the great Flemish master Peter Paul Rubens. Again, the perfect composition. And finally, even in this delightful painting by the 18th century French master Fragonard, the perfect composition.